Hello there, and welcome to the different types of rocks. So the three main different types of rocks are what we call igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So rocks can be divided into three main types depending on how they are formed. Igneous rocks, these are formed when molten magma cools down and becomes solid. They are made of tiny crystals. If the magma cools quickly on the surface of the earth, then the crystals are very small. If the magma cools slowly, deeper in the Earth's crust, then the crystals are larger. And igneous rocks are very hard, probably the hardest rocks that you will find. And sedimentary rocks, these are made from layers of sediment, small particles and layers of sand and dust on bottom of the rivers or seas. The sediments are compressed as more layers build up on top of them. The particles then become cemented together to form solid rocks. The layers of rock are called strata, and sedimentary rocks have a grainy substructure and they easily crumble. So these are examples of sedimentary rocks on the right. Sandstone is an example, and limestone is another example. Examples of igneous rocks are large crystals such as granite and very small crystals such as basalt. And at the end, we have metamorphic rocks, and you've got two examples of metamorphic rocks whereby the sedimentary rock, limestone, turns into a metamorphic rock through heat and pressure, and the metamorphic rock then becomes marble. So metamorphic rocks, these are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks, which are changed by heat or pressure deep underground. They are usually harder than the rocks that formed them. All right, so you've got three examples: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. So have a look at the structures of rocks on the right-hand side and the text again, and you've got some questions to answer thereafter. And we'll review these in our next class. Good luck with these.